Okay, so we are going to be uploading our PowToons to our Google Classroom project for ancient Greece. Um, so I have a PDF explanation here under the assignment title. If you guys click on it, it will go through step by step and show you with pictures along with everything circled that needs to be circled to kind of explain this to you. But I also decided that I needed to do a video just that way some of you would benefit from this a little bit more. So what we are going to do is I want you guys to go to PowToon, and I just created my PowToon here. I'm advertising our time travel company. So if you are coming straight from this page, let's say you guys all just got done finished. You're all finished and you're ready to present and upload it. So you can come over here, and in the upper right hand corner you see this preview and export button. You would click on that. That is one way to start the uploading process. That would be step one in our PDF. And then I'm going to show you this way. So if you come up here and click on the PowToon, and notice it says My PowToons. So in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to click on that. And it will take you to your beginning page. So if you want to upload your PowToon, I want you guys to go ahead and click Export, which is this blue circle. So we're going to click on Export. So whether you go at it from this page or you go at it from inside the PowToon itself, your step 2 will always take you here. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and click on the PPT, which is a PowerPoint. We are going to download it rather than upload it to Facebook or YouTube or Vimeo. So we're going to go ahead and click PowerPoint. We're going to click on that, and it'll take you to this screen. So what I want you to do is where it says title, I want you to highlight all of that and then make sure that it has your name. You can have it be your first and last name. It could be just your last name. There are a few of you that have same last name, so please make sure that you differentiate. You can put time travel. You could just put your last name or first name. And then you also need to select your category. We are going to put this under education just because we're using it for school purposes. And then don't change anything with the public. We could go unlisted, but we need to upgrade, and so we are using the free version of PowToon, so that is not an option. So I want you guys to go ahead and click Next. Here, we are going to leave it as is because I want to be able to show it up on our projector. So we're going to go ahead and download PowToon. All right, and now I get the sign that says, congratulations, your PowToon has been published successfully. That is fantastic. So now we're going to come over here and we need to upload it into our Google Classroom assignment. So come down here where it says embedded or embed. Go ahead and click on embed. I want you guys to click to copy embedded code. So I want you to go ahead and click that. So now it is copied to your clipboard. So then we're going to come up here and we're going to go to our Google Classroom assignment. Down here, yours will say add a private comment on your assignment. So go ahead and click that. And then either 2-finger click and then paste. If you are using a mouse, it'll be the right click and then paste. Or if you want to use the shortcut, you can hold down Control and V at the same time, and that will also paste it. And then go ahead and click Post. What this is doing is it's going to create a link that I can go through later. So if you click on it, it'll take you to your PowToon, and it'll allow us to be able to go through and watch it. My PowToon did not have any music added, so I hope that you guys can find this tutorial beneficial to helping you be able to upload your PowToon to our assignment.